This is the Iowa Weather Report for Wednesday, March the 6th, 2013. Now our first look at the 0Z GFS Model Run. This is at noon today. We have the storm system moving off the mid-Atlantic coast. It brought the snow here yesterday and Monday, and will be continuing to bring snow over the mid-Atlantic and into New England. Around here, though, temperatures will be cool, but not overly cold. Highs in the upper 20s to mid-30s with clearing skies. More sunshine in the central and western counties than in the eastern counties. But sunshine everywhere here on Thursday. Temperatures will begin to warm. Highs in the 30s, maybe approaching the low 40s in the southwestern counties of the state, with some winds out of the south, maybe gusty at times. And that continues here into Friday. We should see maybe 40s statewide by that point, maybe upper 30s in the snow-covered areas or the heavily snow-covered areas. New storm system over the south and west. We need to watch that because by Saturday, here it comes. Low pressure center over southwestern Kansas. The Gulf will start to open up, so we could see some rain showers. Rumble of thunder may not be, well, could be possible. And then Sunday, as the cold air comes in behind the system, we could see the rain change to maybe a wintry mix or some snow. Could see some thunderstorms in the Ohio Valley down to the Texas Gulf Coast. Then Monday, to start off the new work week, the low pressure center is over Michigan. Could see some lingering clouds in the eastern counties, maybe a flurry or two. Temperatures back down into the upper 20s to lower to middle 30s around here. And then Tuesday, it will start to moderate a little bit. Maybe some upper 20s in the northeastern counties to maybe low 40s in the south and west. Some increasing cloudiness over the northwestern counties with the next storm. And then a week from today, we have the trough sort of moving across New England, and then a flat ridge over most of the rest of the country, and a quick flow at that. So we'll have quick moving systems. Could see some, maybe a few sprinkles or some flurries up in the northwestern counties, up into the Dakotas and Minnesota. Otherwise, from here southward, it's going to be dry and fairly warm at that. A couple days after that, on March the 17th, St. Patrick's Day, we have kind of a discombobulated pattern here. Not very fast flow. Storm over the north and west and into Canada. And with this, you could see a little bit of rain, a little bit of snow, but no real frontal systems, no real low pressure centers, so it looks to be weak at that, even though it's showing a lot of precipitation with it. At the end of the forecast on the 21st, now we have a trough, broad trough over the west, a ridge over the east coast, energy moving across Manitoba and into Ontario and Hudson Bay. And with this, we could see a storm system bringing rain, maybe wintry mix, 540 line cutting across the northwestern counties of the state. So the pattern still looks to be quite active for at least the next 2 weeks. Satellite image from last evening showed the storm system kind of elongated from Illinois, Indiana, eastward into Pennsylvania and into the mid-Atlantic states. Clouds hanging back further west than that, and a new storm moving into the west. The watch warning map from last evening. The winter storm warnings and advisories continuing from Chicago, where they were expiring just about the time I was doing this, eastward into the mid-Atlantic, and some winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings out over California and Oregon. QPF chart, precipitation over the next 5 days through Sunday evening at 6 o'clock, showing rainfall amounts are going to be quite significant, and this is mainly going to be in the form of rain, maybe a half to 1 inch of rain possible with this next storm system.